I'm Sridevi. I'm a senior QA analyst. I live in Florida, United States. I have about 10 years of experience in the testing field. Yeah, the DevOps, especially the hands-on training was great. I did learn a lot of stuff, like a lot of tools like Docker, Ansible, a little bit of Kubernetes, and then, working on Linux systems. I haven't worked on Linux earlier, so it was like a whole different experience working on Linux and everything. So it was pretty good. I mean, yeah, we read a lot on the internet, but, the hands-on is what is important according to me. I mean, that actually gives you an extra, edge in the, I think, wherever you go, it gives an extra edge. Instead of saying, okay, I read about Ansible, Docker, and all those things. I think the hands-on experience that Agile, ATA that provides, that's very important. So I would definitely, recommend everyone to take this course, I mean, training and the examination. Yeah, I mean, the theory, of course, it's easy. Like you always take a lot of theory examinations around. That was not really bad at all. I mean, of course, the practical was a little challenge for me. Working in that, 2.5 hours, that's quite a challenge. In fact, I was a little tense starting. I couldn't get through what I'm doing. I knew that I have to do this, but again, I was like, messing up. And finally, I mean, I got to do what I was supposed to do. But eventually, I think the last part, the CI part, I think I was successful. But the CD part, for some reason, I couldn't figure out what was wrong. Because of time, also you get tensed and you try to hurry as much as possible. I think the CD part was not successful, but I think I did all the steps, just that, the build was not successful. But yeah, it was a great experience, yeah, definitely a new kind of experience. I mean, after coming out from engineering, which is like almost 18 years now, doing a practicals is like, it was something different. And definitely, I was actually thinking why I did not go, learn about ATA and all these examinations earlier, probably 5 years back, when I was like still young in the testing profession. But yeah, nevertheless, I finally, at least got to know that ATA has these kind of exams, which is like internationally recognized. So I'm happy, I'm like doing something at least during this COVID times. Yeah, I learn a lot. I keep building up, my skills, whether, technical or anything. And I do a lot of gardening here in my house. That's just my pastime hobby. But I keep learning a lot. Like every day, I make sure I'm learning something new that day, whether it's the tools or something new in the testing field. But one other thing I want to mention is the company that I'm working for. I actually work in the API integration team. So basically, now that we are actually moving into cloud, we are actually moving all our systems into cloud. It was a very good, starting thing, like a step up stone for me doing the CPDOF, understanding what is cloud, what is Docker, understanding, how it works and all those things, all the tools and everything. It was pretty interesting. Now, like you said, whenever possible, whenever I think I'm little ready with the foundation, completely ready about the foundation, work a little on the foundation side, and then, um, do more learning on the DevOps side. So yeah, it's a good thing. I mean, it was the right time. My team moving into cloud and me learning into, CPDOF and everything. And I think as I mean, being in the testing field, I would recommend, a lot of testers to take up, because sometimes we don't get too technical into the field, but it's always good to understand what's happening, how the system works, how the developers are doing stuff, and it becomes easier for you to work in the team.